So I think what we'll do is move into our first genre of writing, which is argumentation. And we just wanted to really quickly acknowledge, so I'm putting my slides up here again, that the Common Core State Standards uses opinion in K-5, and then transitions to argument in grades 6 through 12, whereas the framers of the Next Generation Science Standards firmly believe that elementary students can and should engage in genuine arguments. So we just wanted to acknowledge the difference there and kind of explain why we are using the term argument to talk about our writing here. And then if you want a little bit more information about that kind of transition or distinction, we're going to drop a link in the chat box that will just take you to a document that provides a little bit more information. So let's go ahead and start writing our own arguments here. So we're going to ask that you write these in the chat box, and then we'll take a few moments to read a couple different arguments and share a couple different arguments. But the argument we're going to be writing today is to describe what evidence that you found or heard that supports the claim that sound makes vibration or that vibration makes sound. So let's just take a minute or two to write those, and we'll start sharing those in the chat box. Awesome, and we're starting to get some arguments in our chat box here, which is great. So I'll wait another minute or a couple seconds or so and then start reading a few out loud. Awesome. Yeah, so from Diana, we have, I think that vibrations produce sound because when I plucked my rubber band, I was able to see movement and hear sound and feel vibrations on the side of the cup all at the same time. So lots of pieces of evidence here to support the claim that vibration produces sound. Awesome. Nice. From Maggie, the string around my head only made sound when it was vibrating. When I stopped the vibration, the sound stopped. Some really compelling evidence there. Awesome. From Yami, when I jiggle a sheet of paper quickly, ooh, yeah, to form lots of little vibrations, I hear lots of sound. That's a great one too. Nice. From Julie, I can see the rubber band moving and hear the sound it makes when plucked. And speaking into a paper cut, I noticed the sound had nowhere to go, so it made the cup vibrate. Okay, wow, they're all so great. I would love to read them all. But let's just, yeah, keep them coming and continue reading through those. There's some really, really nice arguments here. And I think what's great is as I read them, there's just so many different pieces of evidence, but all are supporting this claim that vibration makes sound and sound makes vibration. So I think that's really, really cool. Great. Thank you so much for getting those in the chat box. Those are great. I think with that, maybe I'll hand it back over to Fred for our last one.